And we've got this little plate here that we need to remove. This is where the filter and the pump is. So we're going to pop that off, and we need to always, whenever you start messing around with this bit here, you need to just make sure that you empty this little drain pipe here, because there's often some water trapped in there that hasn't been able to escape from your machine fully. So we're just going to drain that out before we do anything else. I'm also going to remove the filter cap, which is a bit like a petrol cap. You just turn that around, a little bit of, oh, welly, that will come undone. Just going to pop that to one side. And now we're going to get our screwdriver and just remove the front plate here. So this is getting a little bit trickier to film now, but in here you can see the impeller, which is what pushes the water up the hose, and the hose is attached here. So I'm going to remove this clamp by squeezing it together, and then I'll be able to remove the hose and I can feed that out through the back of the washing machine. So I've now got this disconnected, as you can see, so we're ready to feed it through the back of the machine.